Meaning of dialectical.
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 Dialectical. The term dialectical refers to a way of thinking that is characterized by the use of opposing ideas to arrive at a higher truth or understanding. It is a method of reasoning that acknowledges the complexity of reality and embraces the contradictions inherent in it. This approach involves examining opposing viewpoints and synthesizing them to achieve a deeper comprehension of a subject or phenomenon. The result of dialectical thinking is a more nuanced, complex, and comprehensive understanding of the world, which can help to uncover new insights and solutions to problems.